Hi there, this is the Madeira Incredible Threadable from AllStitch.com. This is a really nice all-inclusive embroidery thread kit that comes with 40 colors and a really nice storage box as well. So let's go ahead and open this up and I'm going to show you everything that comes inside this package. Now this particular box is filled with Polyneon embroidery thread and it also has a built-in system so you could run the thread directly from the box to your machine without actually unpacking the thread, so it keeps everything really nice and organized. So let's go ahead and take off this label and open up the box. And then on the inside you'll find some fun extras as well. So there's this Madeira color guide that shows you all of their color numbered options along with red dots next to the ones that are included in this kit. And then you'll find these embroidery needles along with this disc that shows 82 different embroidery designs. The way this works is really neat. It's two-layered and double-sided, as you can see here. And then you could open each side individually by popping it open like so. Now, this box has 6 different threading chambers, which are the empty slots right here. And you can see the holes where you could feed the thread through, which is really nice. So you have 20 colors on each side, and underneath each color, you'll actually find the number and the name of each particular color. So it's a really great way to keep everything super nice and organized. And then when you're ready to thread it, you can enter it into this section right here and then feed it through this little slot. And since dust is thread's worst enemy and degrades threads really fast, what's great about this box is that it keeps your thread clean from dust, moisture, and grime while still allowing you to use it, and that's going to help extend the life of your thread. You also can't run thread that's tangled, and who wants to spend the time to untangle a mess created by unorganized thread spools? So with this box, your threads stay in perfect shape, tangle-free, and they're always going to be ready to go. And these incredible threads come in different thread options such as rayon and Polyneon, and so they even have options for sewing and quilting. As I mentioned, this is the Polyneon set, and you'll get 40 different beautiful colors of Madeira thread, which is the #1 selling thread in the industry. It's a really great all-inclusive kit that pretty much comes with everything you need and such a good variety of colors. It's great for storage, but it's practical and really easy to use as well. It would also make an amazing gift. So if you're looking for a high quality kit, you cannot go wrong with this one.